susi.
The intelligent key.
Yan, susi niya. Kasyang-kasya siyempre sa bulsa. So, huwag niya lang iwala. How much for a key? Kapag sabihin natin
spare. For the spare kasi sir, it's cost more or less sa.
Before anything else, gusto ko lang sana magpasalamat sa Nissan North EDSA. Una kay Miss Ria Hermoso, Nissan Marketing Professional. Pangalawa sa Group Retail Manager na si Sir Conrad M. Tan. And last but not the least, ang Meme Genius ng Nissan North EDSA na si Sir Sandy Santos. Thank you so much, and I highly recommend yung Nissan North EDSA for really providing all of the units. Tapos yung mga display units nila doon, each and every single model is actually there. So let's head on to the video.
So since hindi tayo galing sa parking space, alam ko meron tong rear cross traffic alert na?
Yes, so yung rear cross traffic alert naman natin sir is nagbibigay siya ng 20 meters away left and right.
Okay.
If you're driving backward po, para ma-hour si driver.
Okay. And yung steering natin is
power steering.
So, paturo na lang kung saan tayo.
Sige sir, straight lang tayo sir, and then turn right lang tayo.
Okay. Medyo tatingan na itong pagkalapad itong Terra kasi.
So at the speed of 10 kilometers per hour, pwede mo gamitin yung intelligent around view monitor with moving object detection. Pero sir, pag 11 kilometers pataas ka na sir, automatic siyang nag-off.
Okay.
And at the same time, we have a speed sensing door locks po at the speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Nagla-lock.
Tapos this is the same. Actually, nakapag-drive na ako. Kwento ko lang.
Sige sir.
Yung engine nito sa Nissan Navara na 2010, it really sounds familiar. So I think it's the same YD engine.
Yes, YD engine. Yep. YD25. Yeah.
Produces 190 PS na.
190 horsepower for automatic transmission, sir.
Hindi ko pa ito natay-testing eh.
The intelligent rear view camera, sir. So you need to flip the back. So, in case na nabablock yung second row and third row passenger mo ng yung glass.
Most likely magagamit siya kapag punong-puno ng gamit. Nice. Tapos acceleration niya, medyo
190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque.
Ramdam ko naman eh. Tapos, this is VL 4x4, 4-wheel drive.
Yes, 4x4 sir. We have shift on the ply naman sir.
Okay.
And also the wireless charger pad.
Pansin ko, iba pala yung na-drive ko na Terra nung sa test drive event. Parang blacked out siya tapos yung grayish na
I think that's Terra Sport.
Yung Terra Sport.
Terra Sport. The black edition sir.
I prefer this one actually.
The burgundy
Tito vibes. Tapos Bose speakers.
Yes, 8 Bose premium speaker for the VL variants and Sport variants sir.
Tapos meron tayong, since ito ay top of the line, ayan,
that's a blind spot warning. Blind spot warning.
Okay. Ano yung mga warnings natin dito sir?
Yung warning kasi sir, we have tire pressure monitoring system. Since hindi kasi balance yung air ng gulong natin sa harap. Nag-warning siya.
Balance. Kapag ka overpressure.
Second lane lang tayo sir.
Dito?
Third lane pala sir. Papatay ng Bonifacio. Katulad tayo ng EDSA.
Kasi hindi siya matagtag?
Hindi sir. That's because of a multi-link suspension and coil spring po.
Tapos, for me, since manipis naman yung mga pillars natin.
Yung pillars.
Hindi siya, alam mo yung may blind spot.
Yes.
Looking here, ayun, madali naman siya i-park.
And we also lane departure warning sir. At the speed of 70 kilometers per hour, gumagana naman siya.
So yung steering wheel niya, at least much better to, yung round na.
Yung round. Actually, ang tawag niya sir is D-shape. Because of the
flat.
Yes, flatten yung niya, yung bottom.
Yes. Pero hindi siya intimidating at the same time.
Yes.
Kasi una, meron ka naman 360 camera.
360 camera.
So, pagkasabihin natin galing ka sa isang maliit na sasakyan, hindi ka na nervyoso.
Kasi meron kang guide o kaya
hindi ko kung ako lang ata, parang iba yung linaw ng rear view mirror nito. Sa isang
as in mirror sir, hindi yung camera.
Hindi. Yung as is na mirror. Lapad actually. Lapad sa competitors nito.
Kasi sir, nag-equip tayo ng intelligent rear view camera. Kaya medyo malapad siya compared sa other brand.
Tapos ito is 9-inch.
9 inches, sir,
stainless
with
steel.
wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
Okay.
Turn right tayo.
Okay, pasok tayo. Cloverleaf. Okay. Tapos meron ba itong mga sport mode?
Sa sports mode, sir, wala po.
Okay. So I think ito lang yung sport mode.
This is the manual. That's the manual mode, sir. Ayan. Since 7-speed automatic tayo pagdating sa
Okay.
automatic.
Wala nang paddle shifters pero I can deal with this one naman. It's downshift goes forward to you. Meron ba tayong ano nito? Average fuel consumption?
Ayan, sir. So, fuel consumption natin, sir, for city driving, sir, it's 12 to 14 kilometers per liter. But it depends pa rin po sa driving habit natin and also the road condition. Actually, sir, depende rin sa load ng sasakyan mo. Kapag sobrang dami ng sakay, syempre, magko-consume siya ng
2,000 RPM, 450 Nm. Ano talaga, hindi siya matagdag.
Yes.
Nararampa ko na dun sa mga manumanay.
Sige lang, sir. Para mas maano mo yung suspension niya.
Might push it a bit. Just a bit. And the brakes. Ano pala yung brakes natin dito, sir, sa likod?
Front disc brake naman. Front and rear disc brake naman, sir. Sa front, ventilated disc brake po. And sa rear po is disc brake, sir.
And then we have the auto hold feature na nandito kapag
We don't have auto hold function button, sir, but we have electronic parking brake switch po.
Okay.
Ayan. So since wala tayo no hand lever na handle, so electronic na siya.
Dito talaga nagpapatunay na yung YD25.
Yes.
Antibay kasi hindi nyo binago yung
wala
unit set.
sa engine, wala, sir.
Sure, yung intercoolers, tapos yung turbo, yun
intercoolers, yes,
talaga.
tama.
Okay. Sa EDSA, really nice. Yung with the ride. Tapos ang ganda ng plush seats.
Yes,
Nice.
zero gravity seat na.
Nice.
Sir. Yeah. To less fatigue, sir, while long driving.
Tapos powered na to pati sa'yo sa
Actually, sir, sa driver side po yung 10-way power seated natin, including the lumbar support po.
Price rating pala ng Nissan.
Ayan.
May idea ba?
Sa price natin, sir, start with VL variant. For the VL variant, sir, we have at 2,119,000 for the 4x2 VL. And then for the 4x4, sir, is
2409, sir.
2409, sir.
And before anything else, ikakat ko dun sa may ilalagay ko dun sa ititesting ko yung likod nito, which dun tayo sa dealership.
Sige, sir.
So, yeah. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi kong rear portion ng Nissan Terra. Yan, ito really basic lang naman ng cooler natin dito. Tapos may air vents onto the top. Yan. Kasi dun sa tinest drive namin, meron tong screen. So hindi ko na nalaman kung anong ilang inches yun. But yan, for entertainment purposes, syempre hindi mainip yung mga bata. Yan, meron siyang screen dito. And that's the same time kung bakit nila naglagay ng dito, yung rear view camera dito sa may rear view mirror, is kapag yun ay binaba, ayan, magiging obstruction na siya dun. So that's the reason why kung bakit meron nun yung feature na yan. Really genius. At mga natin, puddle lamps here, LED lamps. Tapos meron rin tayo dito air louvers. Yan. Tapos may mga chargers yan on the prescripted wires na ilalagay ko na lang kung ano yung dapat na ilagay dyan na wires. Obviously, this is really comfortable within on my side. And this is the entertainment part, as tetestingin ko kung sisikipan ba ako dito sa third row seats. Okay, let's climb in! Ayun, okay. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko.
Nare-recline yan, sir.
Yep, naka-recline na siya dito. Naka-recline na siya. Okay. Mukhang dito makapasabi ako kung ano yung kailangan na improvement. At the height of 5'5", yung legs ko, yung knees ko, medyo naka-upright ako ng onte. So, yung mga height of 5 flat, okay sila dito. Pero for me, kailangan ko lang dito ako nakaupo. Ayan, that's for me. Yun yung preference ko. That's just the only thing to improve dito sa Nissan Terra. Yung mga features na lang natin dito is yung air louvers at here at the back. Tapos yung yung ating lights. And yeah, I think we have couple of cup holders. Yan, both sides. Dalawa dyan, tapos dalawa dito, obviously. But yeah, I think we are good to go on this one. And syempre may mga seatbelts dito, hindi mo mawala yan. So in order na sige nga ma'am, kayo mag-demo para umalis ako dito sa trahedya na to. Yan. Yun yung auto tumble na to eh. Tapos yun, no? Ay, uy, bigat ah. Yan, just push up. Yan. Tapos, it goes onto reverse. Ito pala yung feature to tumble down, automatically tumble down yung seats na yan. You see those second row seats? Ide-demo ko dito sana sa right side. Ito. Just hold down, push it down, and then it tumbles down onto a tumble down. Yan. Ay, di pala push down, sorry. Pull up pala. Sorry. Yan. Yan. Galing, no? So, kapag iaangat mo na siya, manual niya siya iaangat, guys. So, ayun lang naman. Since ito ay automated, ayan si Miss Rhea, siya ay magde-demo ng pag-ano natin. Ayan, di ba? Di yan bayad. And we're back. Ayan. Tapos, ito may wireless charging?
Yes, wireless charging po tayo, sir. For the Apple and Android user. Yan. So, depende pa rin siya sa specifications ng cellphone, sir, or device. Kasi pag hindi niya na-meet yung specs ni wireless na ni Tera, so nagbi-blink naman siya. There is an indicator naman, sir, kapag hindi compatible yung device.
I think mga compatible dyan is mga top-of-the-line cellphones, mga iPhones, tapos yung Samsung. Yan.
Samsung yan. Oppo meron din. Oppo, Vivo, basta may na-meet lang yung ano. Huwag naman yung mga iPhone, sir.
Tapos may mga sunglass holder tayo.
Sunglass holder, and then microphone, and then yung room lamp natin is LED na rin naman, sir. We also have a 11 inches unmount monitor.
Yan, yung monitor.
Yan. Where you can watch Netflix, YouTube, yan, or movies, videos. Yan.
Shall we do a U-turn here?
It's okay lang, sir, kung munyos na lang tayo, sir.
Sure, sige.
Kasi tumbok tong part na to, may hirapan. Third lane ka lang, sir.
Okay. Yung beeping na yan, remind lang dun sa
approaching vehicle, sir. Ayan.
Naka-activate na ba lane
lane departure warning, sir? Sa lane departure natin, sir, naka-open naman siya or naka-on naman siya. Yun lang, sir, hindi natin nakuha yung speed na 70 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
Kaya hindi siya gumagana. Sa blind spot kasi, sir, at the speed of 32 kilometers per hour, is gumagana na siya.
Pwede ba makuha lang yung
sure.
Saglit lang. Yan, ito pala yung point of view, guys. Really easy to drive. And ito yung kanina ko pa sinasabi na hindi siya blind spot or anything else. Yan. Hindi ako yung binubusin yan. And shoutout nga pala sa mga empleyado ng Nissan North EDSA. First impressions ko yun, sir. Nagulat ako, ang dami nyo palang stock na lots doon sa mismong dealership.
Yes, sir. We have a lot of stock ng units.
Kasi normally iba medyo kulang-kulang, pero this time nakachamba na ako ng meron na. Tapos ito pa, yung test drive unit nyo na-provide nyo pa is 4x4. Yun. So all the bells and whistles is here talaga. So kung gusto talaga ma-experience ng future clients, hindi ayun, testing natin. And right before anything else, these are dual zone climate control system. Tama ba?
Yes, sir. Dual climate po.
Okay, nice. So pag dual climate, mukhang hindi na bago sa iba. Pero yan, kapag sa akin gusto ko mainit, ayan, then sa inyo kay sir, malamig. May button ba para ma-activate yung 360 camera? Obviously hindi ngayon.
Meron, sir, just click the camera button.
Okay.
Sa later, the stoplight. We can try the intelligent around view monitor.
I like the physical round buttons. I don't prefer yung yung tag dito, yung touch sensitive. Kasi kapag sabihin natin yung volume, mapapanik. Kasi sure na meron naman tayo dito sa steering wheel. Pero ang instinct ng tao nandito na.
So you can try, sir, the intelligent around view monitor since we have less than 10 kilometers.
Nice. So may iba't ibang camera.
Yes, for the right side, sir, since blind spot siya for the driver, you can click the camera button again to see the right side, sir.
Ayan. So ito sa mga gutter.
Sa gutter or skinita, tight spaces. Yeah.
If I press it once again, wala. So yan, 360 degrees. And syempre, this is the top of the line yung push button. Obviously. Okay. May naka-automatic na yung headlights.
Yes, we have automatic headlights, sir. So you need to turn to auto.
Ayan,
para once na nag-dark, automatic na siya nag-on.
And then same goes with the wipers, tama ba?
Yes, we have automatic or auto rain sensing wipers, sir.
Yes. Tapos itong mga sir? Type C?
Yeah, so we have Type C and Type A na charging ports.
Okay, nice.
Also the second row, sir, we have Type C and USB type.
So ito naman, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung susi.
The intelligent key.
Ayan, susi niya. Kasyang-kasya siyempre sa bulsa. So huwag yan lang wala. How much for a key? Kapag sabihin natin
spare. For the spare kasi sir, it's cost more or less sa 15,000 kapag you need to replace or nawala mo talaga siya.
Pero pwede naman ako pa-duplicate for lalang. Gusto ko na magkaroon ng...
Kasi pinaprogram kasi siya sir.
So...
Kasi since we have spare key or mechanical key at the back.
Ito yung...
Ayan, that's for only for the door access lang.
Yes. So that's 15,000. Kasi may isang brand, di nga sa kotse, motor siya eh. Pag nawala mo to 30,000.
30,000. For Nissan 15,000.
Kuha na kayo na tera. Tapos meron tayong diff lock nito. Dito sa 4-wheel drive pala. Do we have diff lock?
Yes.
Ito. Rear diff lock. If ever medyo rough na yung terrain, activate mo na yan.
Safety features naman sir ni Terra kapag medyo tumikit ka dun sa vehicle or kanina may tumikit sa atin, nag-on yung intelligent around view monitor for safety shield ng vehicle.
Yep. Tapos meron tong forward
collision warning and emergency braking sir. So what the speed of 5 kilometers per hour, gumagana naman na siya, pero you need to detect the vehicle in front po na nagbigla siyang sudden brake. So magsasend siya ng warning to the driver. So that's the first vehicle. So the second vehicle, so same, kapag nagbigla siyang stop, send ng warning kay driver. Kapag no reaction ka dun sa warning ni system, automatic papasok sa emergency to sudden stop the vehicle.
That's the one with the vibration.
Yes.
Siya.
Kumakagat yun sa niya sa brake. So sa interior medyo mahina yung
yes,
horn natin sir, but outside malakas naman yun.
because yung sound deadening to is quite thick.
Yeah, just because of the acoustic glass sa windshield and also the driver and passenger side.
Yes. Ganda ng mixture nun kasi meron kang Bose speakers tapos maganda yung sound deadening.
Yes. Safety features naman natin, we have 6 airbags.
Yun, yung airbags pala. Side curtain? Meron dito.
Side curtains are included na siya. Has 6 airbags. And for the vehicle warranty natin sir is 5 years or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.
Meron na rin tayong accessories. Mga net ba yan?
Luggage net, or window visor.
Tapos yung plate guard dun sa para if ever
kicking plate.
Yun.
Yes.
Tsaka I think ako lang makaka-explain nito. Yung Nissan YD25, sige, another trivia lang din. Hatag gasolina siya. What I mean is napaka-responsive ng throttle response. Yun yung napansin namin as owners ng isang Navara din dati. So, ayan raw analysis namin yun. Hindi sila nagsabi, kami na nagsasabi na. Ayun pumapagsak yung RPM itself eh. So I think pasok na tayo dito.
Yes,
yep. Nice. Okay, I think okay na ba ako dito?
Yes sir, sa gitna na lang. Ayan.
Sorry. Okay, break. So, see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Part 2.